Hello guys, today welcome to Meet Me Master. So today guys, we are going to try this game again. This is a rematch with a Siren spell. We have 190 in our balance. We're gonna start with a 1 round. I'm going to be spinning it right now for few minutes. Then after that after spinning we will try to see if we can buy the bonus. So I'm hoping maybe today we're gonna grab something guys in this Siren spell, since it's quite a while I was not grabbing anything here. So let's see if we can be lucky today and grab a very good win. So it seems like it's promising a little bit, but maybe we can spin into a bonus, or maybe we can buy a bonus and it can give us something better. Hoping for the better. Okay, finally we spin into a bonus, whereby this bonus, if we were buying it, it was going to cost us 50 rand. So let's see what this bonus is going to give us. All right, this might help a lot. Let's see where it's gonna take us. 22 left to go. $12 to go. Left with 12. Okay. Wow, this is gonna be massive guys. Thank you Siren spell. You are starting to make my day right now. This is going to be big win. Let's enjoy this big win guys. Let's enjoy the big win. Let's enjoy the big win together. Super mega win. I wish we can unlock all of these levels. Let's see if it's possible today. It must not stop here. It must give us something. It must not stop here. It must not stop now. Let's unlock all of them. It's 50 rand bonus. It's quite a while I was not playing here. Let's see if we can grab something. Alright, this might help a lot too. It's 26 to go guys, to unlock the second level. $21 to go. Yo, look at where those ladies are. Yo, they are too far. Can we unlock this level quickly guys? 19 to go. We just need 2 ladies. They can help us here. We need 2 ladies. Alright guys, Panthers, we started with 190, then I didn't buy the bonus, but I couldn't unlock all of them. So what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to stop right now. I ended with profit, so I'm going to stop right now. I will catch you with you guys later. I'm going to play later, around maybe at night. So I will see you guys later. Thank you guys for watching my channel.